Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about MONTECH King 65 Pro case. So friend, MONTECH has announced revolutionary two-layer quick release mechanism for all outer panel, ensuring seamless access to your components. And whether you are adding new hardware, performing routine cleaning, and making adjustments, and this innovative design allows you to do so quickly and effortlessly, and eliminating the need for additional tools. And the versatile cooling option, top radiator up to 280 mm and 360 mm, and side radiator 140 mm and 240 mm, and air cooler up to 175 mm, and fan support recommended up to 9 fan, and pre-installed fans 2 into 140 mm, 1 into 120 mm high performance fans, and the King 65 Pro Black Future tinted glass panel that not only provide a stunning view of your component but also add an element to secure and sophistication, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your build, while the white remains the classic clear glass panel and the same high quality material, the King 95 Pro with metal thickness from 0.8 mm to 1 mm, ensuring unmatched durability and strength, and now at more affordable pricing. And the HP140 fan is designed to deliver strong airflow with performance of 95.61 CFM while maintaining a quiet sound level of 29.2 dBA. It not only emphasizes performance but it also incorporates aesthetic elements featuring inner ARGB lightning effect, and the HP140 is included in our Air 903 series and newly released King 65 Pro, and it's available for purchase and standalone unit in a 3-in-1 pack. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.